Hello, Namaskar, Birendra Singh. I will take the topic electric flux of chapter 1 electric charges and fields for class 12 physics. Definition of electric flux. Electric flux is defined as number of electric field line passing perpendicular to unit surface area, or in another way, electric flux may also be defined as number of electric field line per unit perpendicular surface area directly proportional to electric field, and number of electric field line directly proportional to flux. So flux phi will be equal to ES as mentioned here. N is the number of electric field line and S is area, surface area. So N by S is directly proportional to E, or N directly proportional to ES. Also N directly proportional to phi, therefore phi is equal to ES. Here flux is maximum. We denote flux by phi. So phi is equal to ES. Flux is maximum because angle theta between normal to the plane of surface and electric field is 0 degrees. Now unit of electric flux. So phi is equal to ES. So unit of electric field is Newton per coulomb and unit of surface area meter square. So first unit is Newton meter square per coulomb. So unit of electric flux Newton meter square per coulomb, and second unit of electric field is volt per meter multiply meter square. So second unit is voltmeter. Now the dimensional formula of electric flux. So it can be denoted as phi is equal to Newton meter square per coulomb. So M L T power minus 2 multiply L square divided by coulomb A T. So it can be written as M in square bracket L cube T to the power minus 3 A to the power minus 1. So this will be the dimensional formula of electric flux. ml cube T power minus 3 A to the power minus 1. Now in general, electric flux phi is written as phi is equal to ES cos theta, or in vector form phi is equal to vector E dot vector S. So flux phi is a scalar quantity because it is the dot product of two vectors, vector E and vector S. Now flux phi depends upon angle theta. So this flux phi may be 0 if theta is equal to 90 degree. This flux phi will be maximum if theta is 0 degree. This flux phi will be positive if angle theta lies between 0 and 90 degree, and this flux phi will be negative if angle theta lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. Again I will make one planar surface. You know, area vector is always perpendicular and outward for closed surface. So I will put here vector S, and electric field is in this direction, vector E. So this angle is theta. that is angle theta is the angle between normal to the plane of surface and electric field, or angle theta is the angle between electric field and normal to the plane of surface. So you will remember phi is equal to EF cos theta, EF cos theta. So 4 points you will remember. First point is, if normal to the plane of surface is parallel to the electric field, then theta will be 0 degree and flux will be maximum. If plane of the surface is parallel to the electric field, then theta will be 90 degree and flux will be 0. Third point, if normal to the plane of surface making angle x with the electric field, then theta will be x degree. And if plane of the surface making angle x with the electric field, then theta will be 90 minus x. Suppose a square plane here, and this plane lie in yz direction, so its normal, that is area vector, will be in x direction. If this plane is xy plane, so area vector will be in z direction. If this plane is in zx plane, then area vector will be in y direction. Here this plane, square plane, is in yz direction, so area vector will be in x direction. Suppose side of this square is 10 centimeter, so its area vector can be written as vector f is equal to s I cap, and for s, 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 to the power minus 4, so 10 to the power minus 2 meter square I cap. And given electric field E is 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap, and its unit is Newton meter square per coulomb. So what will be the flux passing through this surface? So phi is equal to, you can solve, phi is equal to vector E dot vector S. So put the value, vector E is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap dot, in one bracket, dot vector S is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 I cap. So you know, in dot product, I cap dot I cap is equal to 1, like j cap dot j cap is equal to 1, k cap dot k cap is equal to 1, I cap dot j cap is equal to j cap dot k cap is equal to k cap dot I cap is equal to 0. So here I cap dot I cap is equal to 1, so answer will be 30 Newton meter square per coulomb. This is the answer. In another question, if the plane of this square surface is making angle 30 degree with the electric field, then theta will be 60 degree, 90 minus 30. If normal to the plane of surface is making angle 60 degree with the electric field, then you will put theta is equal to 60 degree. So you remember, cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2, cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, like that. Cos 90 degree is equal to 0, cos 0 degree is equal to 1, cos 180 degree is equal to minus 1. This trigonometric formula also to be remembered. So you can solve the numerical in this way. Actually, this is the numerical for 1.15 of chapter 1 class 12 physics. Thank you so much.